Let us continue with the previous discussion, that is LR0 parser. Okay, we know how to construct LR0 parser. Okay, so let us consider the same example, same grammar, and the input is given. Okay, the input is for this particular grammar. Now let us see how this particular table, I mean passing table, is used to generate the input string, that is AABB dollar. So we know that the input is always ending with the dollar, so that indicates end of the input string. So here also, I mean, in order to do the parsing, so we're going to use the stack. Okay. Initially, the stack is loaded with 0 because 0 represent the initial state. So in the previous slide, I mean previous video, we constructed the state diagram, right? So there are many states. So 0 represent the state now. And just look at this table. So how many states we have? 6 states. So initially what we have to do for the stack, we have to insert 0. And what is the input now? Input is as it is. You write input, that is A, B, B dollar. Now I'm just looking for the first symbol, that is A. Okay, so what I'm going to looking? So only I want to see only A. Means on 0 state I'm looking A. So what is the action? Look at the table. 0 on A. What is the entry 0 on A? It is S3, right? So what do you mean by S3? S3 is nothing but shift. We have to do shift. So let us do the shifting process now. See, I want to shift. Now I'll shift 3, which implies that initially the state is 0. So I already shifted A, means 3. Okay, 0 on A is 3, right? I shifted 3. Now we have to increment the pointer. Now I'm looking not the first A, second A. Let us write the remaining input now. So A, B, B dollar. So what I'm right now, I'm seeing only A. Okay, on state 3, I'm seeing A. 3 on A, look at the table, 3 on A, again shift, right? S3. So what we have to shift? The stack top is 3 now. And what is the input? Now you just increment the pointer. Now it is pointing to B. I'm looking B. So B, B dollar. So 3 on B, S4. So you just insert 4. Now what is the remaining input? B dollar. Okay, B dollar. Now what we have to do? Just look at that. 4 on B. What is 4 on B? 4 on B is nothing but reduce move, right? 4 on B is reduce production number 3. So what is production number 3 here? A derives B. So this is what the reduce move. Now listen carefully. A derives B. So this is what the production number 3. On the right hand side, what is the length of that particular symbol? Only 1, right? A derives B. Only 1. The length is 1. Now what we have to do? We have to reduce whatever we inserted, means we are inserting the state number, right? That implies we are inserting something like A, B. So right now we are seeing B, but now what I have to do? I'm seeing B. Right now I'm pointing to second B. Now I'm going to reduce whatever the previous symbol encountered. What is the previous symbol encountered? That is B, right? So B by A. That is what the meaning here. So A derives B. So the right hand side there is only one symbol. Therefore what we have to do is you just pop one symbol from the stack. So what is the topmost symbol? That is 4. You just popped out. Now what is the remaining thing? $033. Now what we have to do is look at this. What is remaining thing? Top of the stack contain 3. Now 3 on capital A. Understood? What we have to do? 3 on capital A. So what is the move 3 on capital A? It is 6. You just insert it. Now the input is same. So only for the shift move, okay, we have to increment the pointer, not for the reduce move. Now it is same. Now 6 on B. What is 6 on B? It is again reduce move. But what is the reduce move here? R2. R2 means production number 2. What is production number 2? A derives small a, capital A. So what is right hand side? We are right now we are looking a symbol B. Now so there is a something like a handle, right? Handle in the stack. So that is going to replace with capital A. Okay. In the previous example, so we studied the shift reduce parser, right? So we have a confusion whether we have to shift or whether we have to reduce, and also for reducing how many symbol in the stack, okay, we have to reduce. So that is what our confusion. So here, so A derives small a capital A on the left hand side, exactly two symbol. Depending on that, now we have to pop how many symbol from the stack? Exactly two symbol. Okay. So now what is the content of stack? I popped out two symbol. Hence the remaining content is 0, 3. Now what is the stack top? 3. Now, okay, what we have to do? What is the next move? 3 on capital A. Okay, what is 3 on capital A? It is 6. Just insert, pop, push to the stack. So no increment. So as it is, input is as it is. Now look at 6 on B. 6 on B is again reduce move. So what we have to do, you have to pop two symbol from the stack, so that what is the remaining thing? 0. After removing 3 and 6, what is left? 0. Now look at the table. 0 on capital A. So what is that? 2, right? So you push 2 onto the stack. Now 2 on B. What is 2 on B? So 2 on B is, look at the table. 2 on B is S4. Means 4 is inserted to the stack. Now stack top is 4. 4 on dollar. 4 on dollar is reduce production number 3. How many symbol in the right hand side? One symbol. So you pop 4 from the stack. What is the remaining thing? 0, 2. 2 is the stack top. So 2 on dollar. So 2 on dollar is, sorry. So what we have to do? We have to remove 4 from the stack. After that, 2 on A. So what is 2 on A? 2 on A is 5. Understood? 2 on A is 5. Now again 5 on dollar. What is 5 on dollar? It is R1. Means reduce production number 1. S derives AA. Now how many symbol in the right hand side? Two symbols in the right hand side. So pop two symbol from the stack. What is left? 0. Now 0 on capital S. 0 on capital S is 1. Now 1 on dollar. What is 1 on dollar? It is accept. Clear? See, this is quite difficult, right? So what we have to do is, initially, so we have to fill the stack with the start state, that is 0. Means initially the parser has 0 on its stack, where 0 is the initial state and W dollar is in the input buffer. Then the parser then execute the program. Okay, it is actually algorithm, right? So this algorithm has 3 step, means when to shift and when to reduce. Let us consider in the table. So for everything we're going to refer the parse table, right? That is the data structure. So action part, go to part, and the states. So in the action part, let us consider we have something called the state. On seeing state and the input, if it is shift move, what we have to do? We have to push that particular number onto the stack, as well as we have to increment the pointer in the input buffer. That is for the shift move. Okay, whatever the number in the shift move, that we have to insert to the pushed to the stack, as well as we have to increment the pointer. But if the action in the table is reduce move, you just reduce with that particular production number. But how many symbols, okay, in the stack we have to pop out? That is the question. So right hand side, you just count the number of symbol in the right hand side. That much symbol you have to pop out from the stack. Not only that, we have one more action. So after popping, so just identify which is the stack top, okay, which is the stack top, and that stack top and the left hand side of the production symbol, Okay, you have to find out what exactly the move for that. So that particular, okay, value that is in the go to table, that particular number has to be pushed onto the stack. If there is no entry in the table, okay, for example, let us consider, so in this particular table, see 1 on B. Let us consider we'll encounter one action, so such that the state is 1 and the input is B. Any entry for 1 for B? No. So it is blank entry, right? At this time, error. Okay, so it is not for accepting case, it is just an error. Clear? So this is how we are using the parsing table for getting the input from given grammar without any confusion. Let us study how the algorithm works. Okay, LR parsing algorithm. As I said, stack initial state is 0 pushed onto the stack. 0 is pushed onto the stack, and input buffer contain W dollar. W is the input and dollar indicates end of the input. So let us consider for general case small a be the first symbol of W dollar. Okay, what we have seen just now, we have seen small a. And let us enter to the infinite loop. And within this, the program contain exactly two steps. Remember, there are two steps. And very important thing is, so this is infinite loop, right? How to break this infinite loop? Only when except case occurs or else error case. Okay, when we encounter except or error, at this time, the infinite loop will be breaked. So what is the two step? Let us consider small s is stack top. Okay, what is the stack top? Small a. Sorry, small yes. So we have to check now. So we already seen input a, and what is the stack top? S comma a. So we have a data structure called the parsing table. So in the parsing table, there are two parts. One is the action part and another one is reduce part. In the action part, we just check whether this particular move is shift move or else whether it is a reduce move. So what we have to do? If it is shift move, so what we have to do? We have to push T onto the stack. Let us consider action of S comma A is equal to shift T. For example, S3. 3 is a number, right? So what we have to do? We have to push T, push 3 onto the stack. And one more step. So we have to input, okay, we have to advance the input pointer. So only two step, push as well as increment the pointer. Suppose if it is reduce move. So reduce move means let us assume it is A derives beta. So we have something called three steps here. Initially what we have to do, we have to pop some symbols from the stack. How many symbols? The total number of symbols in the right hand side of the production. That much symbol we have to pop from the stack. Let us consider the T is at after popping, T will be the top of the stack. Now what we have to do? We have to push, see the table, go to T on capital A. Capital A is the left hand side of the production. T on capital A. So what we have to do? There is something like number that we have to push onto the stack and output the production A derives beta. Okay, so the very simple step. So there are two steps. Action part contains shift and action part contains reduce. Shift means push as well as increment the pointer. If it is reduce move means pop and check out the stack top and perform the go to operation and push that particular number to the stack. Not only that, you have to output the production. So this is what LR parsing algorithm.